Hi, in the previous videos we checked how to create do files and open DTA and Excel and other types of data in Stata. Please check our channel. Now let's look at two of the most convenient commands for descriptive statistics, and they are describe and codebook. So let's first load the data, and to run a line in Stata you have to highlight it with the help of Shift and cursor. For example, here I highlight clear, it's just to remove everything from my memory, and use, it will be my DTA file with the data, right? It's Ames houses data for sale price of houses in Ames, Iowa. So now my data is loaded here in variables. You can see names of variables and labels. And of course, the very first thing you do usually, you look at command describe, and you run it, and you get the information about the data which you have. And again, here it's more like a type of the data, labels of the data, and here you can see that there are 2,925 houses in this data set and 10 variables. So it's a simplified data set. But of course it does not contain things like mean or average, nothing like that. And you can also check a single variable here, like sale price. It's the price of the house. So once again I click on this execute selection, and you can also see separately variables of interest. Sometimes you have like this long large data set and it's not convenient to work with the whole one. And another convenient command here, it's a codebook. Codebook is more detailed, and I want to choose this option compact. And notice that you have a really large data set, it may be quite slow, right? So first make sure that it's not very large before you use codebook, but let's run it for our small data set here. And you see codebook, it's actually much more informative because you have a number of observations, you have a number of unique values, mean, right? So sale price, mean here it's $180,000, minimum, maximum, and also the label. And likewise, it was the case with describe. You can use codebook applied to a single sale price variable. So once again, I execute selection. And in addition, I also have more details like percentiles, right? So for example, 10% of houses are cheaper than $105,000, and correspondingly 90% of houses are more expensive than $105,000. You also have a range, right? So the cheapest house, probably some kind of hut in a forest, sells for just under $13,000, and then you have this huge mansion for more than $500,000. Thank you, and talk to you later. To practice these and many additional Stata tools, please check out the description for a coupon code to my new course, Jumpstart Stata in 2 hours. Thank you.